Hello K-Squad, this quick tutorial will show you how to clone your existing videos with CapCut. Let's get started. Open your CapCut app, upload your first video you want to clone, upload the second video, then you click on the second video, click on overlay. This will directly bring the second video underneath the first. Tap on the second video, then drag it to adjust it to be on the same length with the first video. Once you've done this, then you scroll down to mask, click on mask, then you click on split. This will split your screen. Click on that yellow line, adjust it to 90 degrees so it will be a straight line down. Adjust each of your videos by tapping on each one. When you tap on the videos, you adjust it to so the image in the both videos will be on focus. Once you've done this, you can adjust it to whichever way you want. Then click on those white with those black arrow buttons to blur the line so it will show like one video. This is the outcome of our tutorial. So you can use it to show the advantages of your product or two different products or anything you want. Once you want it cloned, this is how to go about it.